My name is Dr. Kayla and I'm with Balance Within Physical Therapy. We finally made it. It's spring, it's summer, it's nice out, and there's flowers blooming. Finally, after that long cold winter. But now it's time to get in the garden and your back's starting to hurt. You want to enjoy and work with those flowers, but you just can't seem to stay in the position long enough because your back starts aching. Or after you're in the garden all day, at night you feel like your back is so tight and sore and you regret what you did all day long. Today I want to talk about ways to help with low back pain in gardening. Gardening is difficult because it involves you getting in positions you're not used to and staying in those positions for a very long time. So I have 3 different tips. One, of course, is take breaks. Don't spend the entire day gardening. Make sure you're stopping, resting, hydrating, and relaxing. The other one is make sure you're changing positions often. Don't stay in one position for too long because that's when things stiffen up and get sore and irritated. Instead, try different positions. Maybe try half kneeling, kneeling on both legs, kneeling with one leg in front of you. You can try getting in a squat position. You can try also using a stool and sitting by the garden. Just make sure you're switching and changing positions often and frequently. The other big tip is make sure you're not bending and hunching and then staying that way. What you want to do is you want to hinge from the hips. When you hinge from the hips, your back and neck is nice and straight and you're bending forward from the hip joint so your back is staying straight. From there you can work on the flowers. My knees are wide in this position so I can get down to the flowers and work on them. If you were in a half kneeling position, again, you could straighten your back and hinge forward to get at the flowers. From a squat position, instead of staying kind of hunched forward, make sure you hinge from the hips and work on the flowers. The biggest thing is making sure the back stays nice and straight and you're not rounded and hunching forward because that can put a lot of pressure on your discs, the joints and ligaments and make you feel not too great. Now there are so many factors that go into why your back may be painful, especially when you're gardening. And these are just a couple tricks and tips, but there's so much more that could be looked at to make sure you're gardening in a healthy way and that you're not having pain, whether it's gardening or with any other type of yard work or housework. Here at Balance Within, we love working with patients that suffer from low back pain and work with a lot of patients that garden in the summer. And that's sometimes one of their biggest goals is just to be able to garden. And we include our great knowledge set in myofascial release, orthopedics, and other specialty trainings to really look at the whole picture, the whole body, and make sure you can bend and move, have the strength and stability to maintain those gardening positions, and make sure your flowers stay healthy as well as you. We offer 2 gardening specific consultations through the spring and summer months every month, just through spring and summer, like I said, to really make sure you stay healthy and can enjoy those summertime flowers. I recommend visiting us at our website, www.balancewithinpt.com, for more information. But know that we are here for you and we are always happy to help you. Thank you so much.